Wolek Group, Keller Williams Realty Advantage in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and today we are going to talk about decluttering. It is so important in getting your home ready to sell, and this is the time of year when lots of you are thinking about this. Whether you're going to be making a move or not, what a good fun spring project to attack, and thinning out your home is a great way to feel good. So let's go through some of the 7 steps in decluttering your home. Let's start at the beginning. Especially when you're putting your home on the market, first impressions are everything. Buyers are probably going to find your home online, and then they may drive around the neighborhood and check it out. Well, let's make sure that the front of your home creates an image that encourages them to want to come inside. So this means when, even just pretend you are a buyer and you're walking up to your front porch. Lots of people go in their home through the garage, and nowadays they don't even know what's on their front porch, or you just don't even see it, out of sight, out of mind. Well, get all the dead leaves out of there. Put some fresh mulch down. Sometimes just a little bit of cleanup can go a really far way. Also, something I notice a lot of times when showing houses is there may be mud daubers up in the top of the entrance, or maybe some bird's nests in the top of a light fixture. Get all that cleaned up so that a buyer, that's just not their first impression. Another great thing to do is take it one room at a time. It can be really overwhelming. Start small. Just start thinning out all of the stuff in your room and closet. Look around, and if you were to envision a picture being taken of that room, what is not needed, what stands out, get rid of it. Put it in a cabinet, put it away. The pictures that the buyers are going to be looking at online are going to really amplify some of the stuff that is on countertops, or places that, things you really just don't need to be looking at. Another thing is, do you need all that furniture? We live in our homes, we get comfortable and cozy in our homes, and however, when we're selling our home, it needs to look like a model home. So extra chairs or end tables, get rid of them. You can donate them, you can give them to family members, you can do all kinds of things just to thin out your home to make the space look larger. Another great thing is, I mentioned this slightly already, is clean off countertops. We have, especially in kitchens, we just pile all the things that we use every single day on countertops. Well, get those out of there. Even if you use a toaster or a blender every single day, put it in a cabinet below. We want your countertop space to look enormous, and that a buyer doesn't think, I won't have anywhere to put my stuff. Another thing is clean your shower. When we are showing buyers houses, or when we come to preview your home, we're going to pull back the shower curtain and we're going to check it out. We're going to see if there's dirty grout, or if there's peeling tiles or paint going on, because the way that your shower shows up says a lot about how you take care of your home. So just make sure that it's clean and neat. It really goes a far way, I promise. And another thing is your collections. They need to go. It is great that you really care about and collect things that are dear to your heart. However, it becomes a distraction to buyers. Go ahead, box it up, and just put it away so that that isn't what they're focusing on. We want them looking at your home. And lastly, go ahead and start decluttering the garage and these storage sheds. Yes, when you are packing up, there may be things that you'd like to keep. That's great. If you do need to put them in boxes or storage bins, do it neatly and organized. Buyers do expect for you to start packing because you are making a move. However, we still want it to be neat and clean. I swear, it really, all these silly little things sound crazy. However, they all make a difference in helping you get the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time with the least amount of hassles. We do this all the time, and we want to help you get all 3 of those. Let me know if you need anything at all. My number is 918-706-9845. Have a great day.